Today I'm going to show you how to change the seat upholstery on a standard wheelchair. This is an 18-inch wide standard wheelchair. Usually they come in 16, 18, and 20 inches wide, and the seat is usually 16 inches deep. Now if we were changing the back upholstery, it usually comes 18 inches high and 16, 18, and 20 wide. So this is a standard chair. It's got 4 screws on each side of the seat. Before you take off the old upholstery, take out the new upholstery and hold it on top of the old upholstery to make sure the screws line up. Now if you'll notice, the middle ones don't line up right. So you'll take those out and put them in their alternate holes. Now these screws come with rubber protectors on them. You need to take those off and then put the screws in the holes that line up with the screws you have on your chair. There, now you're ready to take off the old upholstery and put on the new. Now you can put your new upholstery on. Make sure the seam is in the back. Make sure you take the rubber protectors off the back of the screws, and then they simply screw in. And repeat on the other side. It's as easy as that.